This video is going to show you how to use the snipping tool. That comes always with a PC. It's not with a Mac. Just going to go down to the bottom corner of my screen. Anytime you're on any page, at the bottom of your screen of your laptop or your PC, there'll be a type to search bar here. I'm going to show you just down the bottom. Click there, type snip, open, and when it opens, this box appears and you ignore everything except this one. Press new. The background greys out. You bring your mouse, which turns to crosshairs, and let's say we want to snip the logo word. We go to the top corner and we drag across, keeping our finger down on the left button of the mouse. Let go. And then go into your document that you're working on and paste. I Control V to paste. I'll do it one more time. We do a new snip, go back down to the scissors, press new, and I'm going to do this logo 100%. Go back to my document, press paste. If I go home, what we have to do for our project is do a few icons that we use. So new, I'll grab that one. Just takes a little bit of practice. Click on where we're pasting. So when you pasted a picture, anytime you bring a picture into a document, whether you insert it via the insert menu or you paste it in, you click on the image and then the little placeholders appear. They're the little dots around the corner. So you can enlarge your picture by dragging it that way on the corner. You can see my arrow and my mouse turned to 2 arrows. You can make it wider by clicking here. That's just pressing down on your mouse and holding it down and dragging. And you'll notice if you move your mouse, it changes from a line here to 4 arrows, and that means you can move your image to wherever you want. So I'm pressing down, I'm holding down on my mouse, and I'm moving physically the mouse, moving the picture around. Okay, you can also delete, click and press delete on your keyboard and it's gone. Let's say you accidentally pressed X. Let me bring this into the screen. You pressed X on your snipping tool. You can always find it again. I'm going to say no, I don't want to save this. Always find it again down here. Snip. Here it is. Open. Okay, let's say I want to get a new image. I'm going to go to Google Images, search for Ryan Gosling. There he is, like that picture of him. Some people right click and they save image as, and they put it in their library on their computer. I find when I'm doing document snip is much faster. New, snip, and I'll just do to there. Go back into my document I'm working on, press paste, and then I can do fancy things to my picture. Remember I showed you could put a frame on, blah blah blah. Okay. The highlighting function, let's say you want to bring someone's attention to a section of a picture that you have snipped. So let's do a new snip of these. See up here, there's a highlighter pen. You can actually highlight over the image. There, B, I'm talking about bold today. And then go back into your document. Get rid of Ryan Gosling for those that don't like him. And press paste. And you'll see the image that I used in the snip is pasted there. You can also just scribble on it if you want to, but I don't know what use that would be. And then paste. Okay, there you go. I hope that helps you. Let me know if you need anything else recorded and I'll do it for you, no problem.